Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about ESTC and courses offered by us. Electronic Service and Training Center has been established as a Government of India society registered in April 1986. We are provide training and services in the field of computer, electronics, mechanical, electrical, PCB design and manufacturing. ESTC recently launched ESTC Polytechnic, specialization in the field of mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. We also provide some courses such as certificate course in CNC milling, certificate course in CNC turning, NILIT A-level computer course, NILIT O-level computer course, computer hardware repair, maintenance and networking, electrical CAD, PCB design and manufacturing, certificate course in machine operation, basic welding techniques, post diploma in industrial automation and robotics, optical fiber, splicer, advanced diploma in machine maintenance and automation, handheld products, embedded system design, domestic cum industrial electrician, room air conditioner and home appliances, solar PV installer, solar energy technology and applications, Tele 9.2 with GST, advanced Tele with GST, computer typing in both Hindi and English language, core Java and Java programming, C and C++ language. Now we are talking about our course CNC programming milling. CNC programming is utilized by manufacturers to create program instructions for computers to control a machine tool. CNC is highly involved in the manufacturing process and improve automation as well as flexibility. After completion of the course, the trainees who attend this course they should be able to understand the principle of CNC machines, understand application and usage of CNC machine, understand various concepts of works geometry and tool offset, understand various tools used in CNC milling machine, understand various operations performed on CNC milling machine, understand programming of CNC milling machine. It includes all major milling cycles, understand basics of external programming and how to data transfer for a CAM software to CNC machine. Now we discuss about the session plan. In the day 1, we introduction of the program, basic safety, introduction of workplace safety, personal protective equipment, safety symbol, assignment and question and answer session. In the day 2, we revise day 1 session and doubt clear session, types of fire, fire extinguisher, usage of fire extinguisher, fire hazard and hazard checklist, fire prevention, method of fire prevention, electrical fire and its safety, first aid box, use of first aid box for mechanical injuries, an assignment and Q&A. In the day 3, we revise day 2 session and introduction of bench work, tool, machinery, instrument and machine tool, basic hand tool, introduction and identify the parts of a file, hammer, chisel, etc. In the day 4, we revise day 3 session and discuss about surface plate, height gauge, angle plate, V block, scriber, etc. In the day 5, we revise day 4 session and talking about workplace ethics, workplace etiquettes, pressure at work, telephonic etiquettes, listening skills, grooming hygiene, assignment and Q&A session. In the day 6, we revise day 5 session and doubt clear session and discuss about how to deal with irritate customer, how to conduct to violate customer promises, real life situation, an opportunity, assignment and Q&A session. In the day 7, we revise the day 6 and talking about measuring instrument and their usage. In the day 8, we revise day 7 session and today and talking about different measuring instruments such as height gauge, bevel protector, different type of fit and measuring tool and gauges. In the day 9, we revise day 8 session, identify and select of drill machine, vise or clamp holding devices, drill check, sleeve, etc. In the day 10, we discuss about lathe machine, its operations, coolant and tap. In the day 11, we discuss about milling machine, different cutting tool milling machine, the operation performed on a lathe machine. In the day 12, we discuss about identifying and knowing the function and features and usage of different parts of milling machine, selection of different milling cutter for specific operation and other operations such as angle milling, form milling, V-slot milling, etc. In the day 13, we discuss about grinding machine. In day 14, we discuss about introduction to CAD/CAM, its working area and benefits, introduction to engineering drawing, study of engineering drawing with all its aspect, different type of line, mechanical symbols, material symbols, etc. In the day 14, we revise the day 14th session, an introduction to CNC machine, its usage and benefits over conventional machine, introduction to CNC machine, various component and parts of CNC milling machine. In the day 16, we revise day 15 session and discuss about concept of offset work tool and geometry offset in CNC milling machine. Introduction to the various tools and cutter used in CNC milling machine. In the day 17, we revise day 16 session and various tools, shapes and their name, which type of insert is used for which material, tolerance class, geometry class, etc. In the day 18, we discuss about introduction to CNC programming, basic programming structure, detail of CNC programming such as G code, M code, TFS and their usage. In the day 19, we revise day 18 session and detail of CNC programming structure and other operations like simple milling in different type of controllers such as Fanuc, numeric and head and hay. In the day 20, we revise day 19 session and detail programming of CNC milling in different type of controllers. In day 21, we revise day 20 session and detail programming of CNC facing, grooving in different type of controller. In day 22, we revise the day 21 session and doubt clear session, detailed programming of CNC operations such as parting, drilling, boring and threading. In day 23, we revise the day 22 session and introduction to the concept of offline programming, use of CAM software or external programming station for programming, introduction to data transfer from different software to the CNC machine. In day 24, we revise all the day session and any doubt clear session. Final examination after completion of course and final one is feedback. Thank you.